Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 137. Also, boys and girls, today is the day that you take out your new seat work for this week. We're doing lesson 137, and these are the new seat work. We're no longer reviewing old seat work. As always, please make sure you write your name on the top of your seat work. This is a review sheet. You'll be writing the capital A, B, C on the first line. The second line you will write tumble down D, exclamation mark. The third line you'll write the cats in the cupboard. In the next line you'll write Anne can't see me. Then you write the alphabet, capital A and lowercase a, capital B and lowercase b. And you're going to continue until you do G. So boys and girls, make sure you are forming the letters correctly and that you are using your best and neatest handwriting. Make sure the letters are nice and straight and that do not slant. Please refer to your alphabet chart, your handwriting formation chart, to see how to form the letters correctly. All right, let's move on to our next seat work page, which is math. If you look on here, we're doing page 273, lesson 137. Make sure you have your name on your paper, and let's take a look at section 1. Section 1 says count by ones. So you have the number 176, a blank, 178, in a blank. So you need to count by ones. So in order for you to remember what you're counting by, please draw a box around by ones. So you can remember that you're doing it by ones. So you have the number 176. The after number is 177. Then you have 178. The after number for 178 by 1 is 179. And this is how you will do the rest of the problems. Let's take a look at section 2. Our direction says match the coins with what they will buy. Take a look at this one. The coins. Right now, the coins are in mixed order. In order for you to count, boys and girls, I want you to start with the greatest value of coin. Now, the greatest value of coin here, let me go over the coins that you see. You see a penny, a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. You start with the greatest value of coin. The quarter is the greatest value. So I'm going to start with the quarter. And with the quarter, we count by 25. And then I'm going to change my counting pattern to count by tens, then count by fives, and then count by ones. All right? 25, 35, 40, 41. So now I need to look over here to see which costs 41 cents. I have the sunglasses, which is 71 cents. The pack of gum, which is 31 cents. The ice cream, that is 41 cents. And the tennis ball, that's 35 cents. So I'm going to draw. I counted out 41 cents. A line from here to there. And that's how you will complete the rest of the problems. Let's take a look at the back side. All right, section 1 says write the differences. Take a look at the problem. 26 minus 2. 26 minus 2. Which place do we start first? We start with the ones place first. So what's 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2 is 4. What's 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore, 26 minus 12 equals 14. And that's how you will complete the rest of the problem, by subtracting. Differences means you need to subtract. Watch out for the operation sign. Now let's take a look at section 2. Section 2 says write the answers to the combination your teacher says. So right now you need to listen carefully. If you do not have your math paper out, please pause the video and take it out. We are on page 274, lesson 137. Listen carefully. I would only say it once. Section A, box A. 9 plus 2. Box B. 7 plus 5. Box C. 9 minus 4. Box D. 10 minus 8. Box E. 11 minus 4. Box F. 2 plus 8. All right, let's take a look at section 3. Let's read the story problem together. Mother Robin has 4 hungry babies. Each baby will get 1 worm. She has caught 2 worms so far. How many babies are still waiting for their meal? So you will answer the story problem on your own. Let's take a look at section 4. Write the sums. Now we're adding 2 two-digit numbers. So what here you do, you add the first 2 numbers first in the ones place. We always start in the ones place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 is 9. Now you move on to the tens place. What's 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. And what's 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. So therefore, 23 plus 41 plus 25 is 89. Let's take a look at section 5. Section 5. Mark the circle under the correct answer. 1 yard equals blank. 3 feet, 3 inches. Mark the circle for the correct answer. 1 pound equal blank. 16 ounces, 16 inches. All right, let's move on to our next paper. We have phonics, letters and sound. Page 137. Let's take a look at section 1. The direction says read the sentence. Circle the correct word. Let's take a look at the one that's done together. Already done for us. John will show his blank to Lynn. You take a look at the picture and you see what the picture looks like. Which word best match the picture? Sledge, badge, stage. Badge best match the picture. You will complete the others like it. Let's take a look at section 2. The direction says write in opposite. Here is an example. You have the word fast. The opposite of fast is slow. So here the word is hot. What's the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. You'll do the rest like that. All right, let's look at our next paper. Section 1 says write 2 sentences about butterflies. Here are some suggested words. Bright, colors, wings, fly, butterfly. Remember, boys and girls, we're writing in print, manuscript. Please do not attempt to write in cursive. So you're going to write 2 sentences about butterflies. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and end in the punctuation mark. Now, section 2. The direction says change the Y to an I. Add ER. Let's take a look at the example. We have the word fuzzy. It ends in a Y. You change the Y into an I before adding a suffix beginning with the E. So here, fuzzy, the Y was replaced with an I, and then you add ER. The new word is fuzzier. All right, boys and girls, this is our time for seat work explanation. Have a wonderful day.